So today we're going to try to fix this sink. There's either a clog in the drain. I ran the snake down through the ways and it did go. But the other problem is, you can't really see in there, it's too dark, but the other problem is there was no way for air. There's no air vent here. So when the water was going down through it, couldn't pull air. So I'm putting in one of these little contraptions here. What they do is as the water's going down through it can pull air from these little holes here, and there's a one-way valve there. So I've mounted it on the little piece that goes across there, and now I'm going to connect it in. The main thing is when you buy this little vent, then you have to get the connectors to connect it to your pipe. And what I had to do is cut out a piece of the pipe here, and then I use that piece to connect the top right here, right there, that joint. You can't see it in there, but it's there. So my distance should be about right. I can adjust this one. This goes into the trap. So I'm going to do that now and see if it works.